How to use the three-method strategy. Today, we will show you how to use the three-method strategy for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. Three methods is a candlestick pattern that signals a trend continuation after a small pause. It consists of at least 3 small candles appearing on the chart after a long candle, following in the same direction. The key is that these small candles should stay within the range of the previous long candle. How to use the three-method strategy for quick trades. Pay attention to a strong candle that goes in the direction of the trend. If it is followed by several small candles, get ready to open a trade. Wait for the formation of a large candle that moves again in the trend's direction. Once this candle closes, you can open a trade in the same direction to catch the continued movement. Use the three-method strategy along with indicators such as RSI, MACD, or moving average. These indicators will help confirm the signal provided by the pattern. Learn more about using RSI, MACD, or moving average in these videos. Try now. Follow the link in the description.